Ooh. Yeah, that water hits a little different in October. Okay, whatever you say, bud. No, just water. Alright, so I don't actually have water in my bag. Well, I do have water. It's just in the form of water balloons. Okay. I might be able to just give you one or two at a time. Oh, we're kind of... Oh, I'm gonna let you go. Okay. But just be ready, because don't tell them. We're gonna go get them. All right. Can you catch it? Oh, that didn't work. I don't know whether. All right. I think they saw that. I think our cover's blown. Oh my